Okay. Who's gonna start?
Me.
You gonna start? You gonna open up that one?
Wait.
Okay. Okay. Let me see.
I want to use the knife.
You want to use the knife?
Yeah.
Okay. Be very careful though. Oh boy, this is. You gotta be okay. Listen, you gotta get a firmer grip. I will hold this. You cut. No. I will hold this. You cut. I'd rather have you cut me. Go ahead, kiddo.
Okay. Another one of my magic. I gave my sister a chunk of it.
You're funny. It's yellow and metallic.
What is that inside?
I don't know. What is it? Oh, it's like an old. That's cool.
Suitcase
It's an
and
old. Yeah, like a bag and a rolled up picnic mat. I don't know.
Look really closely, and it's like a combined.
That's crazy, right? What is that supposed to be? All right, go ahead.
Suitcase
a
So yours is the. I'm sorry. 1 second. Yours is a '75 Datsun. It's a Sunny. Actually, shouldn't it be a Nissan technically? I don't know. Anyway, B120. And you have a.
68 Mazda Cosmo Sport.
Yeah. It's one of the first production cars to have a rotary Wankel engine. Invented by Felix Wankel. You know how they call it a spinning Dorito? Remember the video we watched on it? It's not a piston or a cylinder. It's a big triangle and it spins around all weird. Jay Leno has an exact copy of this car. Obviously in 1-to-1 scale. He can drive his down the street. Okay, your turn, Ellie. Go ahead, do the other one.
Me. It's a beyond.
Alright, drama queen.
Beyond.
You're funny. Ta-da! Whoa! It's sitting a little high, but look, working suspension. That's crazy, huh? That's weird,
It's
isn't
a
it?
movie.
Isn't that weird?
It's
Some of the wheels are bending.
I know. It's almost like that whole stance culture nonsense. Oh wait, the hood should open, right?
Cool
Nice.
background. Cool.
Look at the way they did the interior though, Ellie. Look at the steering wheel is molded individually to the rest of the interior. Oh yeah, good job, Ellie. Good job showing those off.
This patch is the Redline Club patch. My dad's
For
not
2019.
in it, but he
No,
has
not
it.
yet. We really should be. Allison was shocked when I told her that I don't have a subscription to the Redline Club. Like what? You of all people?
Give me a moment, Dad. How do I get this out?
This is a long car.
It's an even bigger version of the banana boat. That was as big as they got. We got the one after that was a tiny bit smaller.
It barely opens.
You see? So with some cars, there's kind of a break-in where the first time you open it.
Alright, but I don't like to do
Yeah, no, I know. It makes me nervous too. I know. I don't want to damage it.
Dad, I know you're not.
Wish the interior was white instead of black. Right?
Yeah, Hot Wheels confirmed. Metal is sticking to metal.
Alright, don't scratch up the car, Goober. And actually, I don't think this is the kind of metal. Well, no, it should be pressed steel. Actually, this might be magnetic. Hard to say. What are you doing over there?
I'm reading pasta video thing.